You want to click that number 2 button twice. Just wait.
Why?
No, don't double click the double click it. Just wait.
What happens?
Hold on. Here we go. You guys ready? Who's ready? Everyone say ready in the chat. Here we go.
Ready. Ready? Bro, this is embarrassing.
You might be out of battery. You might have to take your car.
Cat, come here. Ooh, it smells like aging.
Oh, I'm tripping. Come look at this. Wait, come here. It was in drive. Okay, now do it. Tap it once. Double tap it. No. You see how you double tapped it twice? Double tap it one time. Are you pissing me off? You trying to piss me off?
Bro, you spent like, what, 200,000 on this still kind of can't start up?
Why do you think it's 200,000?
Because it's TRX.
Stop inflating the prices of everything. That never happens. I've never seen this happen before.
What is it supposed to do? Transfer to a transformer?